What are you doing?
I'm doing my temperature.
Your temperature?
Yeah.
You need to take your temperature?
Yeah.
Can you say it?
It's 6.5 right.
What?
Tell Mommy what you need to do, Kai.
What are you doing?
It's 1, 6, 7, 8, 10.
What is this for? Kai, what's this for?
4 years old.
What does this do? You need to take your what?
That is the hair.
Okay, what do you need me to do? What do you want me to do with this though? What is this for?
My hair.
To take your...
Oh, a car.
You want me to take your temperature?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you say it?
Temperature.
Very good.
What is this?
97. Perfect.
97. What do you want?